Hey guys, it's Des with T-Mobile. I'm in the home office today and here to show you the new LG G Pad 5 10.1 tablet. Join me for the next couple of minutes as I go over a quick unboxing and take a look at the key specs of this new connected tablet that's now available at T-Mobile. The G Pad 5 is a medium to large size tablet that includes a 10.1-inch full HD display, huge 8200 milliamp hour battery, and of course, it rocks the T-Mobile network. Inside the box, you'll find the G Pad 5 T-Mobile SIM card, quick start guide, quick charge wall charger, and a USB charging cable. Taking a quick tour of the device, the first thing you'll notice is the big 10.1-inch full HD screen. Perfect for watching your favorite videos, viewing photos, and playing games. Connectivity includes Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and T-Mobile's nationwide 4G LTE network. The G Pad 5 is secured through a dedicated fingerprint sensor, and it comes with 4 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of device storage. You can expand your storage up to half a gig with the micro SD card slot. It has a 5 megapixel front-facing camera for your video calls and an 8 megapixel rear camera to snap photos around the house and even go live on YouTube. Hey, maybe I'll start my own channel. The G Pad 5 10.1 Full HD is now available from T-Mobile. It's a great connected tablet with a big screen, big battery, and lots of entertainment and productivity options for you. This has been Des for T-Mobile. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for another great T-Mobile video coming up next.